Hi, my name is Joshua Sembapore, and I am a senior at Southwest Virginia Governor School in Dublin, Virginia. And my project is on analyzing the effectiveness of expansion techniques for meningeal tissue. Meningeal tissue layers are very important for our central nervous system. They give our brain protection and they circulate cerebral spinal fluid. And observing them are very important for understanding neurodegenerative diseases. But the problem is it's hard to get in-depth imaging without specific equipment. And a process like expansion microscopy would usually come in and allow us to physically stretch these tissues with chemicals, but meninges fold up whenever expansion microscopy is done on them. So this experiment wants to find a way, an effective and efficient way to expand meninges. So brain and meningeal tissue were both stained and imaged, and they were put through three separate methods. The first method was standard expansion microscopy. The second method was called Magnify, which was made in 2018 for liver tissue. And the third method was a modified version of Magnify that I created, which aims to take the success that they had with liver tissue and apply it to the fibrous nature of the meninges. So these three gels were made, and a digestion formula breaks down these hydrogels, and water is added to complete the expansion. But unfortunately, only brain tissue from the original expansion actually expanded, and meninges again folded on top of themselves. Method one was the least efficient and the most amount of time. Magnify followed, and the modified version was the most efficient. However, again, it did not expand. But these findings just reiterate how important it is to have a method for observing meningeal tissue and observing these different diseases that happen in the body. And it still shows that there's work to be done on finding a proper method. I feel like upping concentrations in certain solutions will help us find the solution we are looking for understanding how meningeal tissue operates and the systems it has. Thank you for listening.